Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito yung money reading for you for the month of September 2024. Take only what resonates. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang po. Pahit na notification bell and ma-appreciate ko kung kayo ay magko-comment. Kung gusto niyo magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, search mo lang siya sa Facebook. Okay. September, you do have here the pathway, gift, and message of concern. Okay, despair, and the great fortune. Bottom of the deck is the privileged lady. I feel like this December moment, medyo ikaw ang magiging parang kind of like friend or best friend kind of energy. Maaaring may mga gugulat sa'yo, may mga surprise, you do have your gift, and while you are concentrating on pumupunta ka sa path mo, you are focusing on your own road towards success, towards happiness. Hindi mo maiwasan na may mga taong may mga masasabi sila na pwedeng gugulat sa'yo. You do have your message of concern. I mean, these are like messages from people in the past na pwedeng magulat ka ba't nag-message tong taong to. Some of you, this could be a message coming from a person na medyo problemado. And with the great fortune, some of you are there to help this person. Ayusin ang buhay niya. Some of you, if you do not have job na like this is the right time na mag-asikaso, mag-ayos, maghanap ng trabaho, because I can see that nakatingin sa iyo ngayon ang like the universe, and of course magfe-favor sa iyo ang universe ngayon sa kung ano yung actions na gagawin mo, but of course kailangan actionan mo yon. Privileged lady is here and a wealthy man. So, if you are already, sabihin na natin successful, some of you, there's a pag-uusap na pwedeng may kinalaman sa maybe pagta-travel or maybe some kind of decision regarding sa pagta-travel or pupuntahan, pag-uusap regarding mga plano na may kinalaman sa pagta-travel, and like you need to maybe save money kasi may mga pag-uusap na may kinalaman doon, and maybe you need to mag-ready, no? Tell me more for the sign of Virgo. Check your natal chart, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter. Virgo, you do have your unexpected income, family room, high honor, and change. Bottom of the deck is the sudden wealth. Okay, I feel like in the near future, you have to make some kind of changes with regards to your home. Ayusin, tanggalin, itapon yung mga hindi na ginagamit, yung mga magagamit, pakinabangan, gamitin talaga kasi nasasayang kung hindi gagamitin. High honor, I feel like there's a lot of people or like behind your back. Kung ikaw ay may mga pagbabagong gagawin, maraming nakasuporta sa'yo. And mararating mo rin yung journey na gusto mong mapuntahan. If you needed help, someone is willing to help you. And yeah, I can see money coming for a lot of you guys. Hindi man lahat, pero a lot of you. May mga paparating na pera dito. And I feel like it's some sort of like kabayaran sa mga something na ginawa mo in the past. Maybe trabaho mo in the past, or maybe utang. Yan, may mga nagbabayad ng utang sa'yo, but not all of you guys. I don't want you to expect, but some of you, meron talaga, a lot of you actually. May mga nagbabayad ng utang na something na pinaghirapan mo yon in the past, and then pwedeng bumalik ito sa'yo ngayon. And the problem is, the only problem is, pwedeng yung magbabayad sa'yo is sila naman yung medyo magkakaroon ng problem, medyo may karma, may pagkaubos ng pera nila, and they have to work hard para kumita. But I mean, that's your money. Dapat talaga nilang bayaran yung kung ano man yung cargo nila sa'yo, 'di ba? So kung sila man itong may mga struggle sa buhay, maybe they have to find a way and be more creative with regards sa kanilang kung paano kumita ng pera. It's no longer your problem, 'di ba? Na problema ka, kinailangan mo rin ng pera, but it's not yet ready. The time na kailangan mo, wala pa silang pambayad. Now that I see that some of you hindi nakakailanganin ito, or okay naman na ang buhay ngayon, but pwedeng tsaka mo siya marireceive, and maaaring kaya siya ibibigay kasi nandun yung pagkaka-feeling ng parang kahihiyan or nahihiya sila, kaya niya ibabalik or ibibigay, nakakahiya, parang ganun. And hopefully some of you makayanan mo yung August. Hopefully naging okay naman na itong August sa inyo, kasi sa ating astrological weather, ang August talaga is medyo mahirap na buwan, and a lot of challenges, especially ghost month. And sana yung mga Virgos ay nakayanan itong month na ito. Now anyway, what is the message here for you for September pagdating sa money? Any messages for Virgos? Judication, sudden wealth, poverty, official person, occupation, child is here, main, female. Whoever these people na may mga ginawang hindi maganda sa'yo, like pwedeng nagnakaw sila, or may mga kinuha sila, or may mga sinabi sila against you. I mean, this month is actually favorable para sa'yo. Sudden wealth is here. A lot of money is coming, a lot of some of you may mga pag-uusap regarding law, but nakikita natin na in favor sa'yo yung kung ano man ito. And the poverty is here. And these are the people na pwedeng sila yung sisingilin for what they did to you. Official person, yeah, I can see that you are someone na hindi nila kakayanin or hindi gugustuhin makalaban, but ginawa nila yun, kinalaban ka nila. And now it's like their karma, kasi ba't kailangan nilang gawin yun, kahit kailangan nilang lumaban or what. Wala ka namang ginagawa dito. You're just the occupation and the child. You're just doing what you want. You're just being creative. You're just embracing your gift. And the main, female, basta ginagawa mo lang yan something na makakabuti or mahal mo. You're just doing what you do best and what you really do love. And for those of them na hindi magandang intention sa'yo, nakikita natin na sila yung kawawa dito. So thank you for watching. I love you all, guys. Please do like and subscribe. Pa-comment sa baba. Ma-appreciate ko lahat yan. Maraming salamat po, and bye-bye.